If you're dealing with stubborn hard water stains, dry skin, or clogged appliances, Kenmore water softeners might seem like a simple, affordable fix. They're NSF 44 certified and come with a digital control head and demand-initiated regeneration, so they only clean themselves when needed, saving you water and salt in the long run. But here's the catch: they have smaller size options and a limited warranty. In this review, we'll dive into how Kenmore performs when it comes to hard water removal, ease of installation, and day-to-day usage, so you know exactly what you're getting. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, we have hard water removal. Kenmore is NSF 44 certified to reduce hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium. Independent tests back this up. In homes with extremely hard water, up to 25 grains per gallon, have seen that number drop to 0 after installation. The difference is instantly noticeable. Soaps lather better, cleaning becomes easier, and surfaces stay cleaner for longer. It also uses 8% cross-linked resin beads, which are industry standard and effective for most households. However, high-end systems like Springwell use 10% resin that lasts longer and handles chlorine better. Kenmore also handles up to 8 parts per million of clear water iron, a common issue in well water. Once installed, the impact of Kenmore water softeners becomes immediately apparent. The rust stains disappear and the water becomes usable again for cleaning and bathing. Next, let's head over to water pressure and flow rate. Kenmore offers 2 main sizes, 350 with a 32,000 grain capacity and 420 with a 40,000 grain capacity. There's also the Kenmore Elite 520, which has a slightly smaller 31,000 grain capacity but includes carbon media, great for reducing chlorine, sediment, and odors alongside softening. But here's the limitation: 40,000 is as big as it gets. This might work fine for small to medium homes with average hard water. But if you live in a large home or have extremely hard water, this could fall short. Competitors like Springwell and Aquasure offer larger systems, up to 80,000 grains, which are better suited for high-demand households. That said, Kenmore does include a high-flow valve, so even when water is running in multiple bathrooms, pressure stays consistent. That's a big win for families. It's also WQA certified for material safety, so no unwanted chemicals leaching into your water. Now let's talk about the ease of installation. Kenmore water softeners are designed to be beginner-friendly, but they still require some basic plumbing work. The system comes with step-by-step instruction manuals and even an official installation video, which makes the process straightforward. But keep in mind, you'll still need to measure, cut, and assemble pipes from your main water line, so unless you're confident with tools, it's best to call a plumber. If you're replacing an old Kenmore softener, don't assume everything will line up perfectly. The valve height can vary by up to ½ an inch, which may require some adjustments to your existing plumbing. To avoid leaks, be careful with the drain hose setup. You may need to cut it into 2 sections and manually attach it under the hood. Also, make sure you've received all key parts, especially the gaskets. Talking about ease of maintenance, Kenmore water softeners are low maintenance by design. The unit comes with a digital control panel that shows you important info like salt levels and regeneration status. The system uses demand-initiated regeneration, which automatically tracks your water usage and hardness levels to regenerate only when needed, minimizing salt and water waste. One thing to note, don't use table salt or block salt. Stick with high-purity water softener salt for best performance. If you're looking for advanced features like app-based salt alerts, that's only available on the Kenmore Smart Hybrid model, not on the standard units. As for longevity, you can expect an average lifespan of 8 to 10 years, which is solid for a system in this price range. Finally, let's discuss the warranty and customer support. When it comes to warranty and support, Kenmore is a bit of a mixed bag. You get a 1-year limited warranty, which covers parts and labor, but that's pretty basic, especially when compared to competitors like Springwell, which offers a lifetime warranty on their systems. Although they do give a 10-year warranty on brine and resin tanks if you followed their installation instructions. As for customer support, it's generally decent. The service team is helpful and responsive, especially when it comes to troubleshooting or missing parts during delivery. However, there have been some reports of delays or inconsistent experiences, so it's not always smooth sailing. If you run into issues, it's best to reach out early and document everything to avoid complications. With all said and done, here's the final verdict. Kenmore is a reliable, NSF-certified softener that works well for most homes. It's easy to use and efficient, but the limited sizes and short 1-year warranty hold it back. So for more better options like Springwell or Aquasure, check out this video next.